My name is Alex and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review on the MANSCAPED Perfect Package 3.0, which comes with their infamous Lawnmower 3.0. So there are definitely a few things you guys need to know before you get your hands on the MANSCAPED Lawnmower 3.0. And being that I've been cutting my own hair every 2 weeks for the past 10 years, I think I'll be able to give you guys a pretty unbiased and fair review on whether or not the MANSCAPED Lawnmower 3.0 is worth buying or not. And if all the constant advertising you guys are seeing on your YouTube is a whole bunch of nonsense or the product of a quality brand. So before we get into the products itself, let's check out the packaging. Their packaging is very discreet and I like the black and gold vibe that they went for. As soon as you open the box, you are shown their slogan, "Your balls will thank you," which is a funny yet bold statement, really giving their customers high expectations of their product. Whenever I see something with over 4,500 5-star reviews, it's definitely something that tells me as a consumer that Manscaped is doing something right here. The Lawnmower 3.0 is Manscaped's 3rd generation lawnmower trimmer. It offers what they call quote-unquote skin-safe technology, which I will get into in one moment, a rechargeable battery that should last over 90 minutes of trimming, a waterproof ergonomic design, and an adjustable guard with 2 lengths. So up next we have the ball toner and ball deodorant. The ball deodorant has aloe vera infused in the formula and it is used as a quick absorbing gel talcum. So kind of like a talcum powder if you are chafing, only with a nice smell. The ball toner spray, which also has aloe vera infused in it, and is designed for highly sensitive and high friction areas of the body. It also comes with the magic mat, which is what you place down on the floor to catch all of the falling hair that you're cutting off. And with the Perfect Package 3.0, Manscaped also gives you for free this really dope travel bag and anti-chafing boxers. Plus, on top of that, they're giving you free shipping. So that's a pretty good deal just by looking at it from afar. So now that I've shown you the Perfect Package 3.0 and all of the products that come with it, I want to do a brief comparison with my wall beard trimmer, which cost me around $40, and the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0, and showcase to you guys which one I think is better for below the waist body grooming. So now I'm going to be cutting my chest and my stomach hairs using both the wall beard trimmer and the Lawnmower 3.0. First, I'll use the lowest guard setting for both trimmers, and then I'll take the guards off to see if there are any differences in how well these cut my hair. So as I'm cutting, you can see there is no discrete difference in terms of how well the hair was cut, but I do want to say the Lawnmower 3.0 definitely feels a lot lighter and more agile while cutting these very uneven areas. It's more gentle and quiet, but still has plenty of power in the motor to get the job done. And this is obviously true because the outcome with my very loud, powerful, and practically zero gap beard trimmer gave me an identical trim on my body. Which brings me into my second point. Yes, the Lawnmower 3.0 does have a weaker motor, but remember, this brand is dedicated to below the waist body grooming. The motor on this is stronger because it's designed for close cuts and really dense hair, hence why it's called a beard trimmer. So what motor would you rather put near your delicate sack? The Ford F-150 or the Honda Civic? I don't know about you, but for me personally, for my sensitive areas, I'm going to be choosing the Honda Civic all day long. For the third point, I want to talk about the skin-safe technology. This technology is really just a fancy way of saying there is a gap between the white ceramic blade and the metal backing, which will absolutely reduce anyone's risk of nicking their body. The larger the gap between the blade and the backing, the less risk you have of potentially nicking yourself. This is why myself as a self-hair cutter and every barber out there zero gaps their clippers, because it helps us get as close to the skin as possible, usually for balding and skin fades. Remember, you can always throw on the guard as well to really reduce any risk of nicking your sack. And I like how the Lawnmower 3.0's guard is very slim and sturdy compared to my cheap wall beard trimmer guard. The 90-minute battery life on the Lawnmower 3.0 is perfect. It shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes to carefully trim your sack. And if you want to cut other parts of your body as well, you should have plenty of time to get it all done on a single charge. Finally, there is some unnecessary ordeal floating around in the air about the $14.99 replacement blades that Manscaped sends you every 3 months, and how Manscaped is trying to get one over on you because you didn't want to read the fine print. Look, all you have to do is scroll down to the add cart area and you have two options. The first option will charge you an additional $14.99 every 3 months for replacement blades, and the second option is solely the Perfect Package 3.0 without the replacement blades. So hopefully this clears the air in the room about this little ordeal. But that is my take on Manscaped's Perfect Package 3.0 and their infamous Lawnmower 3.0. If you guys liked this video and you found it informative, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and make sure you click on those post notifications as well to never miss a new video. I'm working on some really sweet content and projects for you guys right now, and I'm really excited to show you, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for watching, but I'll catch you next time. Peace!